In this meditation, we're going to be talking about gratitude. First, let's talk about what gratitude is. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging and being thankful for experiences, people, or opportunities in your life. Gratitude allows us to maintain a positive mindset and take care of our mental health. Gratitude is also a big part of mindfulness. When we're grateful for things in our life in this very moment, we aren't thinking about the past or the future. We're just enjoying now. This goes along with the definition of mindfulness, which is paying attention to the present moment without judgment. In today's meditation, we'll use gratitude affirmations as a way to connect with what we're thankful for in this moment. Affirmations are short sentences that we repeat to ourselves. Let's begin. You can sit upright with your feet planted on the floor, or you can lie down on your back. If you prefer to move during the meditation, that works too. If you're sitting or lying down, you can close your eyes if that feels comfortable to you. We'll start by becoming very relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Take a moment to think about each and every muscle in your face. Release any tension you may have in your eyes, cheeks, mouth, and jaw. Now, let's think about the arms and torso. See if you can release any tension there by imagining a ray of warm sunlight coming over your body. Next, we'll relax our legs and feet. See if you can melt your muscles down, picturing yourself lounging in your favorite spot to relax. Maybe you're on the beach, by the lake, or in the mountains. You decide what scene you want to imagine. Staying in our relaxed state, let's begin using some of our gratitude affirmations. Repeat the following phrases in your mind. I am so grateful for this moment. I am so grateful for this day, full of endless possibilities. I am so grateful for my ability to become calm when I need to. I am so grateful for the love I give myself and the love I share with others. I am so grateful for my choice to take care of myself. I am so grateful for my creative mind and uniqueness. Great job! How do you feel after repeating these affirmations in your mind? Now let's reflect on specific things you're grateful for today. In the next few moments, try to come up with 3 things you're really thankful for that happened today. It could be that a teacher helped you solve a problem, or it could be that you had a chance to see your friends at lunch. Maybe you're thankful to be meditating right now. When you think about these specific events, imagine them in as much rich detail as you can. Think about the smells, sights, and sounds in the room when these events happened. Think about the mood you were in as a result, and how that may have changed the course of your day. After imagining the 3 things you're grateful for, silently say, "Thank you," in your mind for each of the 3 events. Now that we've expressed our gratitude, let's start to become more aware of our surroundings. You can slowly sit up if you were sitting down, and you can blink open your eyes if they were shut. Did you feel different after expressing your gratitude? One thing you can do to add more gratitude into your life is to keep a gratitude journal. You can do this on paper or on the computer. List all of the things you're grateful for each day as a way to reflect and become more present in the current moment. And you can always come back to this meditation video to practice gratitude again. Thank you for meditating with me today.